It's my review of the Blackfin Model X from iROCKER, and open the box now and talk you through it. Here it is. There's the pump. Pump there. Here's the carry strap that oh no, this is not the carry strap, this is the attachment to put to your leg in the board so it doesn't go anywhere. The fins, 3 of them. Patch kit. This is the bag that the board goes in. I'll show you that in a little bit more detail in a bit, but really good sized bag. Put that there, and paddle, 3-piece, and the board. So in the box for the Blackfin Model X iROCKER, we have the bag, we have the paddleboard itself, comes with a little strap that secures it, paddle, the leash coil, 3 fins that will go under the board, some stickers, manuals, the warranty, and the pump. So to inflate, open the valve cap, put the pump on, rotate it so it's clipped in, and then you have 3 settings on here. You're supposed to use 1 at the beginning, then swap to 2, then to 3 when the board is almost full. And there's a measurement on here that goes to, shows you the PSI reading. It says 14 to 18 PSI. From what I've read, basically if you keep it at 15 PSI, that should be fine. So to pump it up, open the valve, add the pump and twist. Like so. Could have been more elegant, but oh well. To add the pump and twist, it says 14 to 18 PSI. You can probably do about to around 14, 15. I have pumped this a bit up already because I don't want to bore you with pumping the whole thing. And basically dual action pump. Put your feet on it and push down, and then you can see the PSI reading here. We're at 13. You can keep going to 15. So you've got a dual chamber pump that you can see that puts a fair amount of air in. Maybe took me 5 minutes to get the board fully inflated. You can see here it's already 15 PSI. So lift and push down. That's it. I don't want to bore you with pumping the whole thing up. So release the valve like so. Makes a little popping noise. And then put the cap on like so, and you're good to go. It says 14 to 18 PSI. Put it to 15. I guess depending on your weight, your comfort level, you're good to go, but it feels extremely solid. So here it is, the Blackfin iROCKER Model X, fully inflated, in blue and white color. You can see looks really nice. Great color model. Handle on the front for carrying, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the back. Got the coil leash here, where you attach the coil to. Handles for kids or passengers that you have on the board touring along. There's another handle here on the side, and 1 at the bottom. These are mounts that you can insert cameras in, or other items. I've counted 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 that I can see, and there should be 1 on the front as well. No, it's just these 2 there. And finally, insert the fins, put them in the box, push them in, and pull the lever back to the bottom, and then that's secure. Do the same on the other 2. In, and then lock it down. Finally the last one, in, slide it in, push that down, it's locked, and you're good to go. So the other nice piece of kit with the Blackfin is their carbon fiber paddle. Comes in 3 different pieces, easily attaches together like so. This clip here, push out on both sides and it comes up. You can see. Slide that in to the length you want it to go. It's a fairly big paddle, so I'm only 5'8". I'm putting it to the shortest length here. And here at the bottom you have a little metal clip. Slide that in, slot it in, and you're good to go. So in addition, the Blackfin comes with this nice, really good little bag, sturdy bag. Has backpack straps on the back. Has wheels on the bottom here, so it's easily rollable. Front pocket up here. Pump fits into there, so you can fit the pump in. A bigger bag here. There. Bigger bag here. The whole board will fit into that once it's deflated. You can zip it up and it can roll. And you have an additional pocket up at the top here. Just quickly show you as well. Put the strap in that tightens around the board, and have the fins in there as well. Fits really easily and pretty comfortably. So overall, great bit of equipment to come with the board and help you transport it. The coiled leash clips onto here. You just basically loop the string around there, slot it in. Got a great bit of material here that has plenty of give, and the straps around your foot and you're good to go.